Good day, everyone. This is Joseph Talusan. I'm a financial planner, advisor by profession. I am currently based in UAE in Dubai. Today, ang didiscuss ko po is how to generate a Zurich illustration for Futura. Ang gagawin ko po today is for a 35-year-old male. So ang una po natin gagawin is to fill up the name. For example, Juan de la Cruz. Date of birth, January 1, 1985. For a 35-year-old male. Non-smoker. And then siya po ang policy owner. For this video, gagawin ko po is single life. So, wala pong second life na kasama. No? So, then, go to the next. And then, click on currency. And then, we put in whole of life. Sa whole of life, ang question is how many years yung babayaran ng policy na Futura. Usually, I advise 15 years. Why? Because sigurado po na matutuloy ang policy. After paying 15 years, yung sustainability ng plano is hanggang whole of life. Yung 10 years, okay din, pero depends on the market situation. So, but usually, as an advisor, I advise my client to pay 15 years. Anyway, kung hindi niya matapos yung 15 years at meron ng cash value yung kanyang policy, itutuloy pasusustain ng cash value yung policy niya kung hanggang kailan. So, the question is, will it sustain the policy kung 10 years lang? So, depends on the market po yun. So, tuloy ko lang po, and payment frequency in this example is monthly po. So, walang single premium, and ang assumed growth rate natin is, for example, 6%. Ito po, 6%, medyo very safe na po ito, and kumbaga, mas malapit sa reality po yung 6%. So again, we put in the amount of the life cover. Let's, for example, it's $100,000. We put a rider of a critical illness of $50,000. We also put in family income benefit of, let's say, $15,000 per year to cover for the next 10 years. So, ano po ba itong family income benefit? Explain ko po ito sa isang video na gagawin ko. But for this instance, papakita ko lang po is how to make an illustration for Zurich Futura. So, ang nilalagay ko po dito, ito po yung ina-advise ko sa client when I do presentation. So, also we put in a waiver of premium. So, then press next. As we wait, mag-generate na siya ng quote. So ngayon, lalabas na po dito kung how much yung kailangan niyang bayaran monthly for the next 15 years. In this case, upon computation of a 35-year-old male non-smoker, ang premium na babayaran niya is about $213 per month. So, ang annualized premium po nito is about $2,500. So, if we generate it, we first save the code. Upon saving the code, lalabas po dito yung PDF file ng illustration itself. Okay, so continue. then now we can view the illustration itself. So, ganito po ang itsura nun. First page, pangalan ng client, and ito po yung summary ng proposal. Again, ito yung babayaran niya, 213 monthly for 15 years, single life. Itong policy starts in February 1, 2020. And ang illustration na ginamit natin is 6%. Ito po yung fund charge, indicate din po yung fund charge, which is 1.6%. Tapos ito po yung benefits na ginawa natin for 100,000 na life cover, critical illness of 50,000, family income of 15,000 times 10 years, which is about 150,000. So, also, meron siyang terminal illness na 100,000. Waiver of premium, meron po siyang kasamang free aeroplane cover, and meron po siyang free medical second opinion. So, dito po sa policy na to, ang lumalabas po dito, ang total insurance niya is 150,000 plus 100,000, which is about 250,000 on the first year. Yung family income benefit po is to be given annually for the next 10 years. Pero, diminishing po to, no? As the years go by, diminish po itong family income benefit. So, what do I mean? For example, kung 5 years na niya nabayaran, ang family income benefit na matatanggap niya should anything happens is for the next 5 years na lang. So, diminishing po ang family income benefit. Pero on the onset, should anything happens sa first year pa lang, makaka-receive po ang beneficiary niya ng 100,000 plus 15,000 annually for the next 10 years. So, yun po yung coverage ng benefit. So, to continue, also naka-indicate po dito yung end of policy year, total premiums paid, fund value, surrender value, and a projected growth ng ng kanyang policy. Ito pong projected growth, ito po is naka-base sa 6% na ginawa natin annually for the next 15 years. So, if you look at it, yung matapos niyang bayaran on the 15th year, lumalabas po na ang fund value niya is about 39,778 upon finishing the monthly monthly contribution. So if in this case lumalabas na kung nag-earn ng 6% yung annually yung kanyang fund value, so on the 15th year meron siyang kinita na about 39,000 on the 15th year. So total na binayaran niya is 35, pero yung 38 pero ang surrender value niya, kung should he decide to surrender the policy, makakuha siya ng 39, about $40,000. So also pagka ganon, kinuha na niya, sinurrender na niya, wala na siyang insurance. So yung insurance niya, if you make a total of this, is about $100,000. So yun yung life cover na makukuha ni Juan de la Cruz. Okay? So again, if you look at it, yung policy niya masusustain ng 59 years. Yung 15 years to pay niya, at 6% per annum, masusustain yung policy ng 59 years. So hanggang age 35 hanggang plus 59, so mga lumalabas, mga na siya noon, mga 94 years old. So yung policy niya is lumalabas whole of life. So, yun lang po, and I hope clarify ko sa inyo how do financial advisors generate a Futura illustration. Should you have any questions, just message me and I'll be glad to create one for you. Salamat po and God bless. Thank you.